The alpha hunting dog carried his rival's severed head to the pack. Earlier, he had caught this rival mating with his mate. Despite being exhausted from the discovery, the alpha decided to confront the offender to maintain his authority. They fought, but the rival was weakened from mating and lost quickly. Unsatisfied, the alpha brutally decapitated him and brought the head to the pack as a warning to other males. This grim display aimed to deter challenges to the alpha's position. However, it raises questions about the ethics and necessity of such extreme violence in maintaining dominance within the pack.
Like and subscribe.